Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neurodes, Bangalore. Welcome to Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, the city known for its tech hubs and vibrant culture, and obviously the great weather. Living in Bangalore has its great perks, but there is one thing that we often tend to ignore, and that is the rising pollution. And that could be one of the biggest culprits behind your hair health. I mean, how is it damaging your hair health? And today we dwell into a topic like how the Bangalore weather is affecting the hair health and what precautions to be taken. So let's discuss about how air pollution is damaging your hair health. Bangalore air pollution, especially the particulate matter between 2.5 to 10, which contains heavy metals and nitrogen dioxide, these heavy particles cling onto your hair surface or the scalp surface, and they make your hair look greasy and they clog the follicles, eventually leading to the inflammation of the scalp, and it causes the dryness and brittleness and even the breakage. A study conducted in 2019 by the Korean industry concluded that the airborne particles, airborne pollutants, are decreasing the levels of protein that are required for hair growth. So here are the signs one could be noticing. The scalp can get greasy or oily, or there could be increased in dandruff, dryness and flakiness. Also the hair tends to become dry and brittle, and there could be a little bit of hair thinning near the temple region or the crown region. Now the good news is there are ways to protect your hair, and here I'm going to give you few basic tips which you can follow. What you can do is you can wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week with the sulfate free shampoo, and you can also continue to use a clarifying shampoo which will remove the excess accumulation and dirt and greasiness, oiliness, everything from the scalp, and that should be once a week. Also, when you're heading out, probably carry a scarf or wear a cap if needed. And you can also consider using a leave-in conditioner which are rich in antioxidants. But if you're someone who's already experiencing the thinness of the hair, what you can do is you can consider these following treatment options. Coming to the topical options, you can use minoxidil 2 to 5%, or you can use plant-based serum which are rich in peptides and caffeine. Or coming to the clinical procedures, you can get your GFC done, PRP done, and you can get your low-level laser therapy done. Well, let's not forget the most important thing, that is your dietary and supplementation. Coming to your supplements, make sure you're taking your zinc and D3 levels and B12 levels are high. And also you are supposed to be taking a protein-rich diet. Make sure you are hydrated from within. So when you do all these lifestyle modifications, it actually accentuates your hair growth and gives you a better hair health. Bangalore's pollution is not going to go away overnight, but that doesn't mean that your hair has to suffer. With the right precautions and treatment, you can always fight back. Like, share and tag a friend who is always complaining about their hair health, and follow us for more. Thank you so much.